Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a package from Tove Mayer. She is Tove Mayer on Instagram, and she also has a YouTube channel, so I will link her information down below. But this is just some happy mail that she sent my way. I know she found some white bowls for me from Tuesday morning, and she sent them my way, so I'm so excited. They didn't have any pink, but white is still better than nothing. So, and I want the blue ones for sure. That one I knew. And I know she sent some extras. So here's a little card. Let me open this and read it. Oh, whoa, she wrote a whole entire essay. Hold on, guys. Okay, so she sent me some bowls and she included some extra goodies. So she told me she's gonna start selling some stuff. I don't know if that's gonna be on her Instagram or on YouTube, but she's gonna be selling everything from like junk journals, sewing projects. She said wooden crafts, so definitely check her out on Instagram. I'll have everything linked down below, and sequin mixes too, because she did send me some sequin mixes, so I'm assuming she's also going to be selling sequin mixes. But first, here are my bowls. So she told me that they when she got them, there was some cracked ones, which is completely fine. I mean, she could have taken these out, that would have been fine too, but there was 3 cracked ones, she said, when they were sent to me. So hopefully it's just the 3 ones, and I was completely fine with that. I just wanted her, you know, to get like some money off of it, because there's no point in paying the full price if you're buying some cracked ones, which she did. So she ended up getting them for 99 cents. So let's see, here's the 1, 2, 3 cracked ones, and then all the other ones are okay. I was so excited. I saw some blue ones recently at Tuesday morning, but I didn't want the blue, either white or pink. And I'm so excited to have more of these mini bowls. If you guys find the pink ones still, let me know. They're by this brand, Chateau, set of 10 mini bowls. It has to be the mini. So let me know if you guys still find the pink ones, because I haven't found them at my store. And she sent me some sequin mixes. So again, I will have her link down below. Oh, look at her cute little bag topper. Tove's Treasures. That is so cute. Is that going to be your logo? It's really cute. So this is made especially for you. Look at this. Oh my god, look how pretty this is. What are those sequins? The little stars? Like they're like little, I don't know what that is. And there's big stars in here. Look how cute these are. Oh, and there's like those little, what is that? Like little teeny tiny stars. Oh my god, I love those. Girl, do you have like a large sequin stash or something? This is so pretty. So this is one of her sequin mixes, so you guys could check her out. Oh, these ones have names. This one doesn't have a name, so I don't know if she's selling this one, but check her out anyway. Tell her I sent you. And then she sent me this one. This one is called Sweet Cookies. And look at this one. It has the cute little like round ones in here. Oh, look at these. That kind of looks like a cookie that has like a filling on the inside. So cute. Oh my god, there's a little gingerbread in here. Look how cute that is. Where do you get all these different sequins from? Wow. So that's called Sweet Cookies. And then she also sent me this one. This one is called Snowfall. This one does look like a snowfall. It's like winter wonderland. It's so pretty. I see little heart sequins in here. Look at those little like starburst kind of ones. Oh my god, look at those little snowflakes in blue. Look at that. And then there's those teeny snowflakes. How cute is that? So I will have her information linked down below. You guys could check her out. So again, she'll be selling sequin mixes, junk journals, wooden crafts, and sewing projects, and a whole bunch of stuff. She's going to be making like happy mail and stuff to sell. So check her out, guys. How cute. Thank you so much, Tove, for sending the bowls and looking for them and everything, and sending me some extra goodies. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.